I am Prashant, your maths teacher, and today we will discuss about probability. Okay, so what is the topic of today? The topic of today is probability. Before starting it, we have to just discuss that how probability works. Eventually you notice that when we start doing a work, we have to focus that a work should be done or not done. Suppose that I have given you a situation in that I have just said to you that you have to done a particular type of work. There will be two choices of you. You will either perform work or you will not perform work. Notice, in these two situations, there is one thing is common, at least you have done a kind of work, whether it is in favor or in unfavor. Always remember, while doing the sum of probability, there is a formula which effectively works is work done plus work not done is always equal to 1. It means that you will never get the answer more than 1 while doing the sums of probability. If you don't believe me, just look at your answer. Okay, so this is the basic starting which is related to probability. I have often told you that the work done and work not done is always equal to 1. Now there are certain cases which are very initially we should learn about them to understand this topic in a better way. Okay, so I will just start with coin. Okay, so what is a coin? A coin, you should say it in a Hindi sikka. So what is the maximum chances in a coin? When we toss a coin, then tossing a coin should be considered as an event in probability. While doing the sums of probability, we have to just remember that there are two chances in a single throw of dice, which are heads and tails. Heads and tails. Total number of probability, total number of events in this case is 2. Sample spaces are heads and tails. So if there is a question that how many heads we can get in a single throw of dice, your answer will be, for head we will write it head. So the number of outcomes of a single throw of dice in the terms of head, which is 1, and the maximum probability, which is 2. So always remember, same as the probability of tail in getting in a single throw of dice will be 1/2. Always remember, when we toss a coin in a single time, just like I have flipped, imagine that I have a coin in my hand. So there are two chances. First, we can get heads, and second, we can get tails. So the number of probability of getting head is 1/2, which is called a 50%. You know, when we toss a coin, the chances are winning or losing depends on the situation, and which is 1/2 for heads and 1/2 for tails. Alright, so this is an event which is related to a single throw of coin. The maximum chances are 2 and the sample spaces are heads and tails.